In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade Forex on Thinkorswim 2026, step by step. Before you can place any Forex trade on Thinkorswim, the first thing you need to do is make sure your account is properly set up. Start by opening a Schwab brokerage account if you do not already have one. Then log into Schwab, go to the trade menu, and choose Forex. From there, apply for a Forex trading account and wait for approval. You'll also need to enable Thinkorswim access if that has not already been turned on. This setup matters because Forex trading features will not be available until your account permissions are active. Once that is done, download and log into Thinkorswim. You can use the desktop platform, the web version, or mobile, but the desktop platform is generally recommended because it includes dedicated Forex tools and workspaces that make trading and analysis easier. After logging in, open the Forex trading workspace. Click Trade, then select Forex Trader or search for Forex pairs directly. At this point, it helps to add currency pairs to your watch list so you can monitor them more efficiently. Some of the most commonly traded pairs include EUR, USD, GBP, USD, USD JPY, AUD USD, and USD. Schwab offers access to more than 65 currency pairs, so you have plenty of choices. Before entering any trade, take time to analyze the currency pair. For example, if you're looking at EUR/USD, check whether the trend is moving up or down, whether price is near support or resistance, and what economic news may be coming out. You can also use indicators like the 20 EMA, 50 EMA, RSI, MACD, and support and resistance levels to help guide your decision. When you're ready to place a trade, type EUR/USD into the symbol box. If you expect the euro to rise against the US dollar, click Buy.